Yes, tsunamis. Okay, tsunamis are long waves. Tsunamis are long waves generated by submarine earthquakes. Tsunami is Japanese for harbor wave, okay, but they're generated by submarine earthquakes in the open ocean. And what happens during a submarine earthquake, that actually the seafloor is lifted a bit and it creates a disturbance, a sea level elevation. So the sea level is raised by, in the deep ocean, only a few centimeters actually. Okay, so you can hardly observe it. You cannot detect these waves, the original starting wave from satellites. Okay? But you can estimate or you can calculate the phase speed. And this is done here. So we just have a little formula, square root g times h. Okay, and g you can just estimate. It's about 10 meters per square second. Typical depth in the open ocean, 5,000 meters, makes it easier to calculate, and you work out that the phase speed of these waves is 220 meters per second, 800 kilometers per hour. Okay, so tsunamis travel 800 kilometers per hour. Why am I so confident? Because the original wavelength of this disturbance is several hundred kilometers and the water depth is 5 kilometers. So you know that this is a long wave that's generated. Okay? And long waves propagate at a speed that only depends on the total water. Okay? 800 kilometers per hour, it's almost as fast as an aircraft. Okay? So let's have a look at these waves. So there's one example of a tsunami here. Okay, there's observations of sea level elevations as a function of time at high-low in Hawaii. Okay, and you can see an underlying signal, which is where the sea level goes up and goes down. Okay, and these are the tides. And the disturbances you see on top are actually, this is the tsunami wave. Okay, what you learn about the tsunamis actually is, as it approaches the coast, it's not a single wave. It actually comes as a sequence of waves, or we call it a train of waves. And the period between the wave crests is approximately 20 minutes. Okay, and the initial amplitude is 2 meters, which gives the total tsunami height is about 3.7 meters. Okay, so you can see the initial burst here goes up in this example, and then down, up, and so, and there's a sequence of waves, and even after 18 hours you still see some late wave oscillations here. Okay, this is another detail that you learn about tsunamis. It's not a single wave, but it actually breaks up into a sequence of waves. Okay.